Good evening everyone, and today is the 30th of September. So this is the last day of the month and I'm doing an account update. So basically this month is not a very good month for me. So I lost $2,000 for this month, and let's take a look at the account update. So basically last month I was at about $74,960, and this month my account is at $72,847. And let's take a look at the Think or Swim account to verify the figure first. So this is my Think or Swim account. I'm at 72,874. So according to Think or Swim, I'm up about 10,000 plus. So that should about tally with my figure over here, except that the Think or Swim do not take the commission and interest into consideration. So I'm still up for the year, and in fact, if you have watched my video last month on the 31st of August, I did anticipate that in September or October, I was very cautious about the market, because the market went up too high, so I'm a little bit cautious. In fact, I have let go of quite a number of positions. So these are my current open position right now. And if you look at it, then my current open position, I have a $14,000 loss. And that is true. Especially if you look at, I think Peloton now is my very big loss. I'm losing about $4,007. Probably when I went into Peloton, the fundamental was good back then, but now it could be the market correction and the fundamental may have changed for Peloton, but I'm still going to hold on Peloton for a while more. I wasn't too concerned about the figure here on the losses. I'm more concerned about the net liquidation, because that is a true value. If I were to close out everything, then my account will get back 72,800, and because I started the account this year at 63,000 or about 64,000, so in fact I'm still up. If I were to close out everything and call it a day, then my account is still up, so that's okay. So I wasn't concerned about this figure over here. And let's take a look at the index market right now. And this is the S&P 500 index, the ES market. So the high was about 4,549. Right now it has go below 4,300. So to me, this is a little bit of a correction. But because we still have an October month to go, and generally in the stock market, September and October was not a very good month to go long for stock. I'm basically a long trader. A long trader means that I'm generally long the market. I don't short the market. I don't do a lot of bearish trade, maybe one or two once a while, but generally I'm long the market. So in fact, all this position is I'm going long for the market. So when the market drop, then my account will suffer a loss. But if the market is to keep going up without any correction at all, it is very difficult for us to trade. So what is my plan moving forward? And let's also take a look at another index market, which is the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq high was 15,700 and right now is about 14,600. The Nasdaq correction was slightly less than ES, but I would like to concentrate on the ES. So now that the high was 4,549 and right now is 4,270, but we still have another month to go, because October was also considered a very bearish month. So my plan moving forward, right from tonight, because tonight I will update another video on it, I'm going to long some stock. There's a couple of stock that I'm going to watch out for. Okay, probably I'll be looking at Apple, depending on where Apple were to open, because Apple was at 157 at the last high, and right now Apple is at 141. And the other one I'm interested in is AMD and TSM. Also eBay, probably. And SPY. But SPY was a little bit too expensive, because right now I have $50,000 of free margin to use. So I have reserved all this for a correction like this. But at the same time, I don't want to use up all my firing power, because like I mentioned, there's still another month to go. So I'm going to spend about $10,000 to $20,000 tonight to buy some stock. Sorry, maybe to you is tomorrow morning. For me, it will be tonight. So on the 1st of October, when the market open later or tomorrow morning for you, then I'm looking to spend about $10,000 to $20,000 of my buying power to buy some stock. And I'm not selling any put tonight. I will explain why in the 1st October video. But for now, it's just a generally update on the account status. So this is my standing right now, 72,847 at the end of September. And this is my Thinkorswim net liquidation. So moving forward, if the market were to drop, if the ES market were to drop, the S&P 500 were to drop, then my account will suffer, because like I mentioned, I'm only a long trader. If the market were to go up, then I will benefit, but I'm going to open some long position right now to take advantage of the little bit of correction. We are not here to try to predict the market, so we can only try to do what the market gives us. So what I'm planning to do is to enter a small portion of my position on the 1st of October, and if the market were to drop further, I will go in again. But if the market were to kick off from there, then I get to benefit from my long position. So I will see you in 1st October, another video, and probably we'll discuss what to long. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you.